What up, Raffalinas? Welcome back to my channel. Here we are at Timehri International Airport. We're looking at the new Marriott Courtyard. That's a Courtyard Marriott being constructed here at Timehri International Airport. That's the airport in the background. You can hear the planes arriving and taking off. But what we're trying to do is to take a look at where we are as far as construction of the new Marriott. There is a Caribbean Airlines aircraft just beyond, just over the edge. I think it's about to take off. It's heading down the runway, taxiing to take its departure here at Timehri International Airport. Caribbean Airlines looks like a Boeing. This is the control tower. So this, guys, is the Marriott Courtyard Marriott being constructed here at Timehri International Airport, being constructed by the Qingjian Group, as it says there on the gate. There's Caribbean Airlines still taxiing up the runway. We'll take a look at it and get back to Marriott. I guess there's jet fuel arriving for the aircrafts. Over there, and that building is the hangar, and that's the Marriott, the Courtyard Marriott being constructed here on the grounds of the airport. Now I just want to take a look at the departure of this Caribbean Airlines flight, and I'll complete the showing you the Marriott Courtyard construction. So that's the control tower. Control tower is where they communicate with the aircraft. That's the Caribbean Airlines flight departing almost noon. Taxiing up the runway. There he is. Seems to be heading downwind, and I guess from that point we'll take a turn and head into the wind. Showed you this guy the last time. That's the old Guyana Airways turbo propeller aircraft, and this is the vantage point from which we can see the Marriott Courtyard. That's the Courtyard Marriott being constructed here. It seems as if they've already completed several floors of the building. Looks like 3 or 4 floors have been completed, and this is where it is in relation to the control tower. There's another aircraft sitting at the gate. Let's see if we can identify it. No, can't identify it. And the Caribbean Airlines flight is still taking its turn. Can't even see it anymore. It's very far away now, and it's going to turn and head back this way. Take off. So guys, this is where the Marriott Courtyard is being built. As you can see, it's actually the first entrance when you're arriving, say, from Georgetown. It will be located at the front entrance, the first entrance to the airport complex. And it's within walking distance from the arrival area. So if you, let's say, are arriving in Georgetown for some meeting, a visit, or you're probably in transit, there will be a place for you to stay right on the grounds of the airport. That's the Courtyard Marriott. And if you are leaving from, let's say, Curriverton or Linden and someplace far away, and let's say you want to spend the night at the airport so you don't miss your flight, now you will be able to stay at the Courtyard Marriott here at Timehri. You can arrive, oh there it is, Caribbean airline taking off. Let's see if we can catch him before. It's quite a long run, seems to need about a mile to take off for some strange reason. Anyway, that's it. Okay, we didn't catch a takeoff. Didn't time it very well, but so that, guys, is where the Marriott will be located here in Timehri. If you need to leave, you can arrive the night before your flight leaves. You can actually spend the night at the airport in the Courtyard Marriott. That's the idea. And then you can be on time for your flight. Or if you are arriving in Guyana and you need to rest before you take on the country, you'll be able to book a room here at the Marriott. Yeah, miss it, man. So this is where you'll be able to stay if you arrived from abroad, from a flight. You'll be able to stay here at the Courtyard Marriott before making your way into the country, into the society. This is the old hangar area. A lot of the fuel depot was over there, and the hangar where they kept and repaired old aircraft is also over there. Well, old aircraft, because I don't think it's being used now. A lot of the aircraft maintenance is being done in Trinidad, and the local aircrafts are being maintained at Ogle. So I don't think there are hangars here for servicing aircraft. But this is the Marriott, guys. Crane still up, still constructing the floors. And let me see, I can count from what I can see: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. So this is the top floor is the 5th floor they're putting in. So if you count the ground floor, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors that have been completing. When they complete the one on top, that would be the 6th floor. It's going to be at least 6 floors. So this is actually quite a lot of progress on this building since the last time we were here. I was here, there was not even a building. They were just talking about it the last time we were in this neck of the woods. That's Rubis Gas. I guess they provide jet fuel for the aircrafts for refueling. And here is the Courtyard Marriott. Last time we were here in December 2022. This building had not even started construction. They hadn't even started construction yet on this building. So that's progress. We can see there is some progress here. on the Courtyard Marriott. These are some old buildings in the old terminal. This used to be a military base, right? Timehri military base. So a lot of the older buildings, these buildings are army barracks and so on. This is the Marriott, the Courtyard Marriott here at the Timehri Airport. It's located at the first entrance, this roundabout. Guys, I'm quite impressed with the progress they've made so far, because the last time I was here, I couldn't even see it. Right, you couldn't even see any evidence of construction of this Marriott. In fact, the last time I was here, I was looking for it and I couldn't find even the sign that says Marriott. So that is where it will be located. That's the Courtyard Marriott. You can see from the sign, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stories, and it says Courtyard Marriott. So they're almost completed the 6th story. Right, they already almost completed all 6 floors. That's in relation, that's how close it is going to be to the terminal, to the jetway, and the radio communication tower. So that's the communication tower. This is the Marriott Hotel, and on the other side that's the jetway. This is the entrance, the Welcome to Guyana sign. When you're coming out of the airport, departing from the airport, this is what you see. Welcome to Guyana, with the coat of arms, and one people, one nation, one destiny is what it says. Alright, the Guyana coat of arms. So this is it, guys. Tell me what you think about new developments here at the Marriott, the Courtyard Marriott here at Timehri Airport. And in the last video I showed you what's happened since the last time you were here with the expansion, the construction. If you haven't seen that video, you can go back and take a look at it. This is the back side of that sign. Right, this is where you leave the airport. Right, so you could actually look back when you're leaving, and this is what you would see. And in relation to this sign, that's where the Courtyard Marriott is located. These are the army barracks from 60 years ago. And that's the Courtyard Marriott. So there you have it, guys. The new developments here at Timehri International Airport. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe. In the comments below, tell me what you think about the location, the design, and the potential use of the Courtyard Marriott here in Timehri International Airport. I'll bring you new updates as the building gets completed, and we'll certainly go and take a look inside like we have at the Georgetown Marriott when it's completed. And in the next video I'll show you what's happening with further developments here. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening here in Georgetown, Guyana. Later!